A brand is not your logo. It is not your color palette or your typography. A brand is the gut feeling a customer has when they interact with your business. Apple and Nike define their unified identity, a clear set of core beliefs, long before the first pixel is drawn or the first product is manufactured. Grab a blank sheet of paper and a stack of sticky notes. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to build your physical, one-page brand foundation blueprint. Committing this structure to paper forces you to organize your thoughts for your customer. By mapping your strategy across these 4 quadrants, you create a framework for long-term customer loyalty that survives far longer than a superficial visual trend. Step 1. We need to define the deep emotional need your business fulfills. Do not list your product features or functions here. Features are easy to replicate. For example, Nike sells personal achievement and empowerment. Tesla builds its entire brand around a vision of the future. Both companies prioritize this emotional connection over their actual hardware. Look at your blank page. In the top left quadrant, write down 1 to 2 sentences summarizing the exact emotional connection you want to build with your customer. This is your why. Now we move to step 2, selecting a single core archetype for your brand's personality. Psychologist Carl Jung described archetypes as recurring patterns found in universal stories. They are recognizable character types, like the hero, the sage, or the everyman, that help bridge the gap between your conscious marketing efforts and your customers' subconscious desires. These personalities are incredibly distinct. A caregiver brand is driven by a desire to protect and support its audience. Contrast that with a magician brand, which focuses entirely on fostering magical moments and personal transformation. Choose your single, definitive core archetype and lock it into the top right quadrant of your page. Anchoring your business to one specific character type prevents the brand from sending mixed emotional signals, which helps your market identify who you are more clearly over time. Moving down to the third quadrant, we need to define your core values. For this, we use a physical note and vote method. Grab your sticky notes and start writing. Brainstorm 10 to 15 company values, placing every single idea on its own individual note. Now apply the critical filter. These notes cannot be an aspirational wish list or corporate buzzwords. They must represent the truth of how your company behaves, even when no one is watching. Ruthlessly discard the generic terms. Take your surviving sticky notes and rank them until you have isolated your top 3 values. From those 3, you must select one single most important value to sit at the very top. If you claim to have 20 core values, you can justify any action as being on brand. Prioritization forces clarity. Pin that ranked list into your third quadrant. When you prioritize values this strictly, you cut through the marketing noise and difficult operational decisions become obvious. We have reached the final quadrant. This is where we craft your single-minded promise, which serves as your ultimate elevator pitch. Use the peel the onion exercise to get there. Write down exactly what you want your business to be famous for, then cross it out and write the next deeper idea. Do this at least 5 times until you hit the absolute core. Take your archetype, your top values, and your emotional why, and distill all of that down into one concise, definitive sentence in the final corner of your page. You now have your theoretical blueprint. The next step is execution, ensuring this document actively dictates your visual design and your tone of voice. Look at the social coherence model. It illustrates how tonality adapts as the customer moves from the disrupt phase through attract, engage, and join. Your brand needs social skills to shout for attention at the start and whisper during the user experience without breaking character. Apple executes this top-down consistency. Their core promise of innovative simplicity is felt at every level, from the clean interface of their software to the physical architecture of their retail stores. When you match your tone to your brand promise, you provide a consistent experience that helps customers trust your brand at every touchpoint. Take a step back and look at your finished work. You now have a complete, unified layout of your strategy. By completing these steps, you have moved from a vague business idea to a documented brand identity. Now, put it to work. Hold this physical blueprint up against your current website, your social media channels, and your product packaging. Having the courage to cut anything that conflicts with this one page is how you ensure your business actually stands out in the market.